Sustaining an environmentally and culturally responsible tourism is exigent. There are several questions to grapple with, such as what sights do you see and who benefits from your travel. A solution to such questions is eco-sensitive tourism or nature-based ecotourism, which tackles this issue and focuses on experiencing natural areas in ways that result in its understanding and appreciation. Shankar is one of the most pristine eco-sensitive tourism sites of Himachal Pradesh and is located in the Sinj Valley of district Kullu. Shankar falls in the eco-zone of the Great Himalayan National Park, and this is also a UNESCO World Nature Heritage Site.
There are many intangible benefits of the forest, like they give clean air, they help in reducing the pollution, they help in controlling or checking the carbon sequestration.
GIZ, in collaboration with the Himachal Pradesh Forest Department, is implementing the Himachal Pradesh Forest Ecosystem Services Project since 2016. This project is funded by the German Federal Ministry for Economic Cooperation and Development, or BMZ. Cases of illicit felling, poaching, fire incidences, lack of employment opportunities for the youth, and mounting pressure on forest resources were recognized at Shankar and led the project towards possible solutions to tackle these issues. Reconnaissance surveys and frequent meetings with communities established a huge potential of creating eco-sensitive tourism with nature as a capital and strengthening economic potential via most non-invasive means.
इसके तहत हमने जो स्थानीय लोग हैं उनकी कैपेसिटी बिल्डिंग और उनकी स्किल डेवलपमेंट के लिए अलग अलग तरह की ट्रेनिंग्स का इस प्रोजेक्ट के तहत आयोजन किया गया है। उसमें से कुछ ट्रेनिंग्स हैं जैसे कि कुकिंग ट्रेनिंग, होम स्टेज ट्रेनिंग।
Shankar presents a unique mix of ecosystems like agriculture, pastures, meadows, coniferous and broadleaf forest ecosystems. In a nutshell, it could be a perfect habitat for bird diversity. So after a few birdwatching assessment, I presented this idea with the community and forest department, and we agreed that we will go for a birdwatching centric, ecological sensitive tourism model which will train these youth as a birdwatching guide who can act as a conservation frontiers as well as earn a substantial livelihood out of it.
There are some major activities that the project is focusing on, strengthening the capacities of local communities, such as bird watching.
स्थानीय लोगों को जो हमारे युवा हैं उनको प्रैक्टिकली भी नॉलेज दे रहे हैं बर्ड वॉचिंग के बारे में, और इसके अलावा जो हम क्लासेस ले रहे हैं, ऑनलाइन क्लासेस भी ले रहे हैं।
काफ़ी सारे टूरिस्ट जो भी ये बर्ड वॉचर जो यहाँ पर ग्रेट हिमालय नेशनल पार्क में मतलब से बर्ड वॉचिंग के लिए आते हैं, तो यहाँ के लोगों के लिए भी रोज़गार मिलेगा, हमारे लिए भी रोज़गार मिलेगा और हमारा फ्यूचर के लिए भी ठीक रहेगा।
Trekking is another important tourism activity in the place. Here, visitors explore different types of forests. The two major treks of the place are the Shankar Sara Lake Trek and the Shankar Lapa Thela Shakti Newly Trek. For strengthening the capacities of the local community of Shankar, a basic and advanced level trainings and homestay operations and cooking were conducted. The sessions were also helpful in providing additional income to the family members by associating them to visitor management.
They are making beds and they do have good infrastructure in terms of good structure of beds and mattresses and everything. But we needed to tell them how to actually tuck in the blanket, how to make a mitre and how to actually make the guests feel more comfortable.
किस तरह गेस्टों को परोसना है, खाना कैसे परोसना है उनको, किस तरह उनको गाइड करना है, कैसे बताना है कि उनको क्या क्या खाना है।
Nurtured by centuries of tradition, the people of Shankar celebrate their lives in hosting a variety of fairs and festivals to honor the Shankchul Devta, which is the local deity of the place. The five-tiered Manu Rishi temple, located in Shanshar near Shankar, is situated at a height of approximately 6,400 feet. It is of great historic significance and is a probable tourist spot for the near future. Another important aspect for tourist attraction at Shankar is its tranquil thatches where people enjoy doing yoga and meditation.
It has got very vast potential for the tourism. It had just started picking up in the valley. Then the GIZ thought that this is really one good area where the ecosystem services from the tourism can be developed much more and shown elsewhere in the state of Himachal Pradesh.